Hey, what's going on, guys? This is John from Disciples Air. And real quick, I wanted to do the F4I. No headlight, no turn signal, no fuel pumping going on. Fix. Look right now. It's on. Switch is on. No fuel pump. No headlight. No front turn signals. Back turn signals. No front turn signals. Come down here. Hope you guys can see it. This white plug right here. Oh, actually it's gray. This. They would squeeze it a little bit, and now headlights on, fuel pump, and turn signals. So again, it's this one right here. That's causing all the issue. If you notice, sometimes your headlights close over dim or your side markers are dim, it's this plug right here. White one, mine has an X on it. I don't know what yours has. Yeah, one of the big white plugs. There's two of them on the bike, but this is one goes to the front where the headlights and everything is on and relays are. But yeah, this is your fix, guys. So real simple. Just grab it, squeeze it a little bit, and it should come right on. Alright, thanks, guys.